In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Venmo payment decline. So a declined Venmo payment can be frustrating, but here are the most common reasons and steps to fix the issue based on available information. So number one is insufficient funds. So Venmo checks if your linked bank account, card, or Venmo balance has enough funds to cover the transaction. It also needs enough funds in order to cover the transaction fees as well. If not, the payment is declined. So please be sure to check your Venmo balance or linked bank account to ensure sufficient funds. If you need to add money, go ahead and press on this button over here that says add money. However, if you don't see that button that says add money, then that means you need to apply for the Venmo debit card, which you could do so completely for free by going to the bottom menu, then pressing on cards right over here, and then it is going to give you the option to actually order a Venmo debit card, and then you just need to enter in your home address, and then they are going to mail you that debit card. So yeah, you need to actually get the debit card before you're able to actually add money to your balance. But once you got your debit card, you actually are able to add money to your balance just by using your linked bank account like you normally would, like any other application. So please just make sure you do have sufficient funds. Next up is incorrect or outdated account information. So incorrect bank account details, card information, or unverified contact details like email or phone number can cause declines. Mismatched usernames or outdated card details may also trigger issues. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top right, press on settings, then you want to go ahead and select on payment methods right over here. And you want to verify that your bank account and card details are correct and active. And you want to update any outdated information such as expiration dates or billing addresses. Another thing is incorrect recipient information. So a typo in the recipient's username, email, or phone number can prevent Venmo from locating their account, leading to a decline. So please just double check that whoever you're trying to send money to, that you put in their information 1000% correctly. Next up is transaction limit. So unverified Venmo accounts have a weekly sending limit of $300, while verified accounts can send up to $60,000 per week. So if you don't have a verified account and you're trying to send over $300, that is not going to work. You need to go ahead and verify your account, which you should be able to do so easily. And whenever you do open up the Venmo app, there's going to be like a little widget or like a banner basically telling you to actually verify your account. So please make sure to verify your account if you're trying to make big transactions on Venmo, because if you're trying to make like transactions over $300, then you will need to go ahead and verify your account. Otherwise, it is just going to block your payment. And obviously, you want to make sure that you have good and stable Wi-Fi connection and that your Venmo application is up to date and recent. But if you're still running into any issues, then what I recommend that you guys do is contact Venmo customer support by going to the top right, pressing on the gear icon, then go ahead and scroll down all the way here until you see this option that does say get help. Then go ahead and press on chat with us like so. And you just want to explain your situation, explain to them that the payment is being declined. And from there, they should be able to walk you through the next steps. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.